आज इन्वायरमेंट डे है और मैं गुलाबी का पौधा लगा रही हूँ।
The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. With this quote, let me start my speech on World Environment Day that is celebrated on the 5th of June every year. This day is celebrated to raise the awareness about the impact of human activities on environment. Every year, a specific theme is given, and this year, the theme is ecosystem restoration, and the focus is on reimagine, recreate, restore. This theme reflects that we have rehabilitate our environment and restore our ecosystem to its actual position. Urbanization, industrialization, and many other human actions have brought our forest plant at the brink of extinction. Thus, this year's theme instigates us to restore our ecosystem before it is too late. Global pandemic COVID-19 also made us understand that how trees as a source of oxygen are important in the ecosystem. According to me, not a single day but all the 365 days should be celebrated as the World Environment Day because we have only one planet to live on and our survival is adjoined to the survival of our natural environment. Plant one tree, save one life, love the earth as you would love yourself. Thank you.
Greetings and good evening to all respected sisters, teachers and my loving friends. Hope you all are safe and doing well at your homes. Myself Gitanshi Chaudhary of class 10th Lily is going to present my views on the World Environment Day. We all know about this day, but we don't know the objectives of celebrating this day. Every year on 5th of June, this day is celebrated in order to aware the people about the crisis of our environment. Its objective is not only to save our beautiful nature, but also to aware the people about the situation of our environment. We all live under the blanket of this environment. These trees, this sky, water, air, and fire are the 5 major components of our environment. We have to save this thing from being exploited, as these trees give us 2 major components to live on this planet. First, oxygen, and second one is food. So please grow more and more trees and don't cut trees in order to make this planet a better place to live. Water is also a very major important component of our environment, which we are alive. It is compulsory for us as well as to these plants, as it helps us these plants to make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So plant more and more trees. We have to pure our air to conserve it. We have to keep cleanliness around us in order to keep our air and surrounding clean. By the simple steps, we can make this earth a better place to live in. Like, don't use plastic bags. Only use paper bags and cloth bags. Recycle things. Plant more trees. Don't cut trees. Don't be greedy. It's the time to be green. One step for a better environment today is a one step toward a better future tomorrow. Happy Environment Day. Do plantation to be free of pollution. Thank you.
World Environment Day is celebrated on every year of 5th June globally. 5th June globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and need to conserve it. It is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resource for ourselves. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware of this issue we are facing and how one can contribute to saving it. For instance, industries and factories are largely contributing to pollution. They are decreasing the quality of air that we breathe and water we consume.
The people to take positive environmental decision to protect the nature on this planet. Objective of the World Environmental Day. The main objective of this day is to lay focus on the environmental degradation to spread, protecting and conserving it. There are some ways that I have to tell you for our environment. We have to clean our environment, and a clean environment is very good, and we have to plant more and more trees and to minimize the use of plastic. Environment give us very important thing to live. It gives us oxygen, water, air, etc. And the end, a clean environment is a sign of happiness. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Athar. Today I am going to give a speech on Environment Day. Environment Day is the United Nations principal vehicle to aware people about environment. It is also served as People's Day for doing some positive for environment like watering plants, feeding animals, etc. We should always take care of our environment. Thank you.
Speech on Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is a quite simple as well. As we conserve the environment day, the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. Thank you.
My name is Shivi Gupta from class 7th LE, and today I am going to present a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day celebrated every year on 5 June. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by United Nations General Assembly for the first time in the year 1973. World Environment Day was celebrated with the aims of taking positive steps to protect the environment from polluting the earth and to inspire the people around the world in this direction. We all live in this house of the earth whose roof is environment. We should take care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will green and environment will become clean.
Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Environment means any surrounding in which person, animals, plants live.
धक 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 खुद जी लो सबको जीने दो, खुद जी लो सबको जीने दो, मेरे लिए जरूरी सब। धक 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 ओ धरती का दिल क्या बोले, धक 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 धक।
Everyone, it's 5th June, meaning it's World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. It is celebrated across the globe to respect and acknowledge everything the environment has given us. In order to strengthen our world and country, it is important that the nature is preserved. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. However, it is the only thing that can make our life sustainable. The mushroom growth factories and manufacturing units has led to the growth of pollution, rays, dust, etc., which are deteriorating the quality of air we are breathing in the water we are consuming, and the environment we are surviving in. For sustaining life on this earth, it is critical that the world's forests, oceans, and soils are preserved. Nature is a rare gift and cannot be purchased from money. It is important that each one of us wake up before it's too late. Wishes you a World Environment Day.
Everyone, here myself Kangna from Standard 9. As we all know that today is 5th of June, the World Environment Day. Firstly, I want to thank to all the sisters and the St. Mark's School to give me this golden opportunity to speak on World Environment Day. As we all know that environment is a real word that has living as well as non-living type of surroundings on the earth. Environment includes air, water, soil, fire and sky. Did you ever think so? What if these elements are not present on the earth? Life can't be possible. So as to aware the people about this element, the United Nations has established the World Environment Day in 1972. But unfortunately it was denied. But people were excited to celebrate this day, so they did it in 1974. Means the whole world is celebrating the World Environment Day since 1974. And there was also a statement which is shocking that every year on World Environment Day, it comes with a new theme assigned with the United Nations. So this year also we are having a different and a special theme, which is ecosystem restoration. It is a process of assisting the recovery of ecosystem which has already damaged or destroyed.
Hello everyone, myself Kashish from Standard 10th. Firstly, I am thankful to Sister Principal for giving me this golden opportunity. Today, I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th of June. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about safety of environment. First Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. This year, 2021 theme is Ecosystem Restoration. So we all should have to take necessary steps to protect our environment. We all live in the house of earth whose roof is environment. We should have to take care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will green and the environment will become clean. The earth, the environment and the life are the same. So don't waste it, live it. Today, let's pledge to plant more trees to minimize the use of plastics and save natural resources to protect our environment. Thank you.
Myself Avantika Sharma from class 9th Lily, standing here to deliver a speech on the topic World Environment Day. As we know, World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. It is a day when we have to plant more and more trees to save our environment. This year, the theme of the World Environment Day is Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. It is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generations will also be able to lead a healthier life. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to save it. Thus, it is quite important in its own way. On the occasion of World Environment Day, it is essential for all to realize that every little deed matters when it comes to save the environment. No matter how small step you are taking to lead a greener lifestyle, it does make a difference, because if everyone starts doing little deeds one by one, it will turn into something big. As the saying goes, each drop makes an ocean. It is true in this case also. Always remember that the gifts and blessings which nature endows on us are priceless. It is rather essential to conserve them for a better future and for a better life. Always remember that small steps will help you to reach your goal. So at the end of my speech, I want to say plant more and more trees, as it will not help to us also, for our future generations also. So save the earth.
UN sponsored event. It is celebrated throughout the globe with the help of volunteers and the government. In simple words, it is a day to make people more accountable for the environmental damages they do. It seeks to generate a sense of responsibility in the people towards the environment. It's not yours nor mine, it's ours. So let's protect our environment together. It's my humble request to you all that you must participate in the events in your own capacity wherever you are. Plant more and more trees, and I think it will be helpful for saving the environment. At last, save Earth, save the life on the earth.
Honorable Principal, judges, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Parth Pratap Singh from class 9th Lily. Today I am here to represent a speech on World Environment Day. मैं हूँ पृथ्वी, मैं हूँ जीवन. मैं हूँ पृथ्वी, मैं हूँ जीवन, फिर क्यों सूख रहा मेरा तन मन. दिया है मैंने नीला अंबर, दिया है मैंने नीला अंबर, जलवायु वृक्ष और संसाधन. मैं ही देता फल और छाया, मैं ही देता फल और छाया, फिर क्यों काट रहे मेरी काया. मुझसे तुम हो, मुझसे तुम हो, तुमसे मैं नहीं. क्या हो सकता है जीवन, क्या हो सकता है जीवन मेरे बिन कहीं. Friends, World Environmental Day is observed on 5th June to raise awareness about the environment and the damage that human activities do to it. This is a tradition of celebrating the day with an UN-sponsored theme. Every year, a particular country has hosted by United Nations. The main idea is to let humans realize what impact on the environment is being made by their activities. We all are linked with the environment. We breathe only because other elements in the environment are support of metabolic process. Any damage in the environment will be reflected in our own health. Let's not forget it. With this, I would like to end my speech, and I am hoping that you all able to understand my views on World Environmental Day and will be adopt a zero tolerance attitude toward environmental damage. Thank you and happy Environmental Day.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, Tanush Marwadi of Standard 9 Lily is going to deliver a speech on the topic Environment Day. 5th of the June is observed as the World Environment by United Nations. First incorporated in 1974, this day is dedicated towards creating awareness on the topics like global warming, ozone depletions, and desertification. Every year, there is a new theme and a designated country honor to carry out the official event around theme. In this year, the theme is Ecosystem Reforestation and is hosted by Pakistan. We humans are destroying the environment by bursting crackers and moving vehicles, dumping garbage in rivers. People are during these days are dying in COVID-19 because of lack of oxygen as we are destroying plants and forests. Way for stopping these causes. Use reusable bags. Print as little as necessary. Recycle. Save electricity. Save water. Plant more trees. Use public transport instead of your own vehicle. At last, I want to say, better environment, better tomorrow. Thank you.
फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे.
Word Environment Day. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I feel honored to have been given this opportunity to speak among you all once. Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June.
To all, myself Mahi and I am here to say some slogans about World Environment Day. The first World Environment Day is celebrated in 1974 in USA. Save Earth, save life, protect the earth and secure the future. No earth, no birth.
Hello everyone, myself Tanish from class 8th Lily. We all know that today is the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is a day especially celebrated to know and solve all the environment issues. Our environment is in great danger because of air, soil and water pollution. We must protect the survival of mankind on the earth. We must celebrate World Environment by planting more and more trees. Now we shall discuss some of their uses and their benefits. Holy basil, commonly known as tulsi, is an aromatic plant. It is rich in vitamin C as well as zinc. It protects us from a variety of infections and helps to cure fever. Aloe vera plant. It has many medical benefits. It heals and softens the skins and etc. There are many more plants which are useful to us like neem, cedar trees, rose hips. We have to protect our environment to protect ourselves. Let's come together to save the environment.
Dear friends,